everybody. We're the Black Heartstrings, and we're gonna blow shit up. We have Marvin the Martian. We have Icebreaker. We have Cool Cat. We have Orchid, and whatever all these are.
Let's go!
Yippee!
Oh, not on this side. Or it has them on both sides. This is the Martian.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the eyes to glow.
It said glowing eyes, but I don't know.
That's kind of cool.
Oh,
There's the glowing eyes.
Oh, it's going to do something else. It's not done. Woo!
Going back up to the sky. It's E.T.
Oh, that's rad, dude.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool.
That was really cool.
Hop down, get down, get down, get down. Tunnel. Good boy. Good boy. Turn. Good boy. That's a good one. That's enough.
Will you play dead for you or you don't know?
Dead. Good boy.
Can you shoot him or no? You won't do that.
I will. Bang. Bang. Good boy.
That's gonna come shooting at us.
Oh, God. Heather. Heather.
It's not that bad, guys.
You don't know.
But you notice where I was standing, Brett?
Off to the side.
And I had
Okay. Oh God, I don't like those.
That was it?
No, it's still brewing.
Oh, it's still brewing. That was like a little My Little Pony or something. I don't know what the heck that was. Is it done? Yeah. Woo!
You gotta make
America.
sure that unicorn's burned out.